Hello everyone, we're going to work on 2021 EOC Biology Questions and we're on question number 5. The question says the defenses of two flightless birds that live in different habitats are shown, and we have gentoo penguins and we have common ostrich, and we have their picture, habitat, and defenses given in the question, and then both live in different um, environments. The gentoo penguins live in Antarctic islands, very cold, and then common ostrich lives in African savanna. And for the defenses, they have different structures and different characteristics. For gentoo penguins, the wings are flattened and tapered like paddles, so they can swim and jump out of water at speeds up to 22 km per hour. And then for common ostrich, their leg muscles are located closer to their body, so that allows them to run at speed up to 7 kilometers per hour. If we look at those information, how do the wings of gentoo penguin and the legs of common ostrich provide an advantage in their habitat? And so we're looking at the defenses and the wings and then leg muscles they serve for a common goal. For the gentoo penguins, they can swim and jump out of water very fast with their wings. And for ostriches, they can run at the speed of like up to 70 kilometers per hour. So it's really fast. So they can jump out of water really fast and they can run really fast with these features. And if you look at the question and answer choices, A it says allows them to find their prey. B says allows them to escape from predators. C says allows them to control their body temperature. And then lastly, the D says allows them to be camouflaged in their environment. So I will eliminate the ones that they don't make any sense. For example, those characteristics, wings and leg muscles are all about defenses, but doesn't say they don't really say anything about blended in the environment. It doesn't say anything about the color or any structure that blend in the environment or habitat so other organisms cannot see or recognize them. So I will eliminate the answer choice D right away. And then it doesn't say anything about body temperatures like blood circulation or anything. And I will definitely eliminate this one too. So there are two options, allows them to find prey and allows them to escape from predators. So A doesn't make any sense because finding prey requires some other um, characteristics as well, like maybe smelling or finding their path. But running fast or moving fast out of water, I mean, cannot really help them to find their prey. If it said catch their prey, then I will think about it. But finding prey is something different, and I will eliminate this one too. The only option that makes sense is allows them to escape from their predators. So, for example, if the penguins are in the water and then there's any other organism is trying to catch them, so they can jump out of water very fast and they can escape from predators. The same thing for ostriches. If any other animals, chasing them, they can run really fast and they can escape from their predators. So I will say the answer is B for this question.